Oh. Ew.
What? Stinks?
Yeah.
Instantly ruins the disc. But it looks really cool.
Not if you put it in there for 1 second.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Go get another one then.
Okay.
Go with the other one that's out. Not the one that's in the case, but one that's out. Because I already formatted those to a thing that I can't use. Can we nuke it?
Yes, we can.
Well, fuck.
I tried to frisbee it.
I'm just gonna close it and immediately open it. Oh, you already fucked it up.
A little bit.
I'm just gonna close it and then open it. One doesn't. No damage? I'm gonna take a video this time.
What?